Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video we are going to share you another great project named Palma Doge, and the website link is palmadoge.finance. As you know guys, there have been many scam projects daily come in the market. They come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this Palma Doge is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But you guys know you have to invest at your own risk only. We are not a financial advisor. Here let's check the story of Palma, a dog named Palma. The world has been invaded by a zombie troop named Corzo. The brand new virus carries spreading at lightning speed. They cause the loss of control to people and all living creatures. They attacked and tore off everything in their sight. Humans were scrambling to flee from their own land. My master, who's my best friend, and I plan to resettle in the new land. No place for a dog here, I am afraid, said the flight attendant while she stopped us before boarding the plane. I needed to be abandoned to make the seat available for people. We were utterly astounded with such a thing as no backup plan had been prepared. All of a sudden the crowd went wide. We were separated by the police officers who were forcing my master to get on the plane. I could clearly read from my master's mouth shape that he was trying to say, I will come back, wait for me, take care of yourself, and the door slammed shut. No matter how fast I can run towards the plane, I had to admit that I was left behind in the grey sunset full of sadness. The dark intruded, and I managed to find the way to survive while waiting for my master. He would come back definitely. Palma's land. Surely there should have been a lot of dogs and cat pets who are abandoned like I was. Finding them to build up a team shall do me much good right now. Zombies can emerge at any time. I must be one step ahead of them. Palma's army. Assemble, we will turn this land into Palma land. Fight for survival. Play and earn. This play to earn game shall issue 20% of the total tokens. The target is to invite the players into the Palma blockchain to seek rewards coded, and then we will transfer the holders' right to the most proactive members in the community. Players can earn by fight against zombie every day. Combat zombie boss at 6 p.m. UTC Friday weekly. Collect weapon and feed your pet to sell at the pet shop. Join the arena to challenge other players. Here you can play now. Here is the Palma's land. Here you can find the pet shop, battle zombies arena, and my doge. Here first you have to connect your wallet. Then you can play all the games. Firstly, let's check Palma land. Home for soldiers. The 2XX world have been encroached by diseases, monsters, and wars. Humans ran away. Pets were abandoned to flight and survive on their own. By utilizing the advanced and modern technologies, pets have been evolved and upgraded to fight against their enemy, the growing zombies. At Palma Land, you are able to select your favorite pet to join the army. Level up your pet with weapons at pet shop. Fighting against zombies be your daily task to maintain the energy, strengthen your experience, and make huge money. Here's the pet shop, and if you go down you can simply find choose the young doge here. The train build your Palma army. You can make your Palma army here. You can find more about this, and if you go down you can see bet your luck. You are allowed to randomly pick one dog with just $1,000 per doge only. Hurry up, you can buy this token now here. Battle zombies is here. You can find this all info here, and here you can find see more zombie bosses eligible and all this what are eligible, and you can find here arena is there. You can check this out here. Here is the stake and farm button here. Here you can find the 3 pairs. Pardos BNB, you can check 40x profit here. API percentage is coming soon. Deposit here and earn here. Deposit lockup. Pardos balance, Pardos earn, Pardos stake, unlock time, and unlock wallet. This will come after it is listed. This token will be listed, and then this will come. ecosystem, we can check the stage 1 Palma Dodge is the new project which paves the way for a series of projects we will carry out in the next 3 years with unlimited marketing budget and clearly roadmap. We will synchronize the features of traditional and new scheme. Stage 2 Palma Swap will become next G with many outstanding features. Start at the middle of November launching new NFT market feature where everybody can earn freely. Stage 3 Palma Land, we call it special feature nowhere found in other projects, will release on January 2022. Stage 4 is the last. Palma app and blockchain start on June 2022. We will make a detailed introduction once Palma app has been launched. Here is the countdown to the pre-sale. Pre-sale is been live in 8 days, 3 hours. Let's check the Palma Dodge private sale. 1 BNB is equal to 50,000 Pal Dodge, but they are giving plus 60% extra bonus and you will get total 80,000 Pal Dodge. Here you can invest now and this will start on 13 September and on 15 September. Private pre-sale and in 4 days. So it's a good chance to buy this token. The only chance to own Pal Dodge with super crazy price X10 X50 when list on the PancakeSwap. Hurry up, you can buy this token. Here private sale process, you can check minimum investment, maximum investment, soft capital, hard capital. Here you have to simply deposit the amount of BNB how much you want to buy. Here is the whitelist of this Palma Dodge. We can check here this much of total entries on Palma Dodge whitelist. Here you can check this here round 1 and round 2 and round 3. You will get the link in the description so you can check this whitelist here. Here is the tokenomics. We can check 20% stake farm, 18% to pre-sale and 6% private sale, 2% marketing fund, 1% DF fund, 2% team fund and 2% fee for pre-sale, 4% contest giveaway and 20% for NFT game. Here the mechanism has been provided: play to earn, stake to earn, lock liquidity and charity wallet also. Here we can find the roadmap of this project. The roadmap looks very amazing. Here you can vote them on all the coin sites here. It has been provided here. After the pre-sale, you can buy this Palma Dodge on the PancakeSwap. You can simply swap from BNB to Pal Dodge after their pre-sale end. Let's see the BSC scan contract address of this token. Here's the contract address. Here's the balance and BNB value. Contract creator at NTXN, token tracker Palma Dodge. And if we go down, we can find the transactions here. So if you like the token, you will get all the links of buying in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.